The Paint Shaver Pro offers a revolutionary approach to paint stripping, replacing messy liquid strippers with a high-performance power tool that delivers quick and effective results. It effortlessly removes multiple layers of paint while collecting debris into a built-in vacuum system, eliminating the need for extensive cleanup. With no setup required, users can simply plug in and start working on projects of any size, from single weatherboards to entire houses. Notably, the Paint Shaver Pro can safely handle lead-based paints through its integrated vacuum system with a HEPA filter. Its versatility, adjustable cutting depth, and suitability for professionals and DIYers make it a game-changer in the paint stripping industry. Additional diamond-tipped blades are available for flat concrete and fiberglass surfaces, further expanding its capabilities. The ROWELD ROCUT Orbital Circular Saw is a high-performance tool designed for cutting plastic pipes, offering versatility in applications such as drainage and building installations, socket welding, electrofusion welding, butt welding, and cutting plastic sheets. It boasts a powerful motor capable of slicing through pipes up to 355 mm in diameter with precision, thanks to its unique orbital cutting motion. Safety and ease of use are prioritized with features like a central trapezoidal clamping device for secure pipe clamping and centering, rubberized clamping and guide rollers for accurate cuts, an integrated internal deburrer in the handle, and a cutter blade shaft that allows offset cutting without chamfering. With its reliability and warranty, the ROCUT Orbital Circular Saw is an essential tool for professionals and DIYers dealing with plastic pipes. The Worx Nitro Switchdriver 2.0 drill and driver is a versatile and powerful tool designed to excel in drilling, driving, and fastening tasks. It harnesses the potential of a robust brushless motor, delivering an impressive 442 nlbs of torque, and it boasts a 2-speed gearbox for superior performance across a wide range of applications. User-friendliness is a hallmark of this tool, featuring a quick-release chuck that facilitates swift and effortless bit changes. Its digital interface simplifies torque setting adjustments and drilling driving mode selections, while the built-in LED work light illuminates the workspace. To ensure comfort and control during operation, it sports an ergonomic design with a soft grip handle. Additionally, the Switchdriver 2.0 offers compatibility with all Worx 20-volt batteries, ensuring flexibility and convenience for users across various Worx tools. The Airblower Pro Paint Drying Gun is a versatile tool designed for quick and efficient waterborne paint drying. Whether used manually or mounted on a manifold, it offers continuous flow drying for all phases of the drying process. This drying gun stands out with its super-fast drying capability, outperforming traditional dryers. It incorporates a high-flow progressive valve for optimal performance. During the initial drying phase, the recommended blow distance is 40 to 50 centimeters, while for final drying it's 10 to 20 centimeters. The gun features a convenient ball valve for on-off operation, a 1/4 male thread, and requires an air consumption of 265 liters per minute at 3 bars, with a maximum working temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. The C-HOG Millhog series, manufactured by Esco Tool, represents a range of portable tube beveling machines renowned for their versatility and robust performance across various tube sizes and materials like steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. This series boasts several distinctive design attributes that enhance its suitability for diverse applications. These features include a compact body design tailored for accessibility in confined spaces, an expansive clamping surface ensuring secure tube grip, and versatile motor options in pneumatic, electric, and battery-powered variants. The Delmare Tools push block for table saws is an essential safety tool designed to minimize the risk of kickback during narrow rip cuts. Crafted from durable plastic, it boasts a patented adjustable width tunnel design that accommodates the saw blade's passage. With a non-slip grip and ample surface area, users can maintain precise control during operation. Utilizing the Delmare Tools push block is straightforward. Align the tunnel's width with the workpiece's thickness. Position the block atop the workpiece with the blade passing through the tunnel, and then push the workpiece through the saw blade. This safety device is indispensable for woodworkers operating table saws, particularly when executing narrow rip cuts prone to kickback incidents. ROAIRVAC, part of ROTHENBERGER's product line, offers a series of cordless vacuum pumps renowned for their lightweight, portable, and user-friendly design. catering to various applications such as refrigeration and air conditioning, systems evacuation, vacuum filling, testing, leak detection, purging, degassing, and solvent recovery. These pumps derive their power from robust batteries, ensuring an impressive 90-minute runtime on a single charge. Additionally, they incorporate safety and reliability features like a built-in non-return valve for vacuum maintenance, even with a depleted battery, a specialized filter to minimize oil mist at the exhaust nozzle, and a compact, lightweight build that enhances portability and ease of use. ROAIRVAC pumps are invaluable tools for professionals and DIY enthusiasts in need of a dependable and portable vacuum pump. The Metabo Metal Weld Bead Remover PFM17 is a powerful and versatile tool designed for efficiently eliminating weld beads from metal surfaces. With its robust 700-watt motor and a rotating milling head equipped with 4 blades, it can easily handle weld beads of varying sizes by adjusting the cutting depths. The tool is further enhanced with user-friendly and safety features, including a magnetic guide rail to ensure precise tracking, a dust extraction system that maintains a clean work area by collecting debris, and a non-slip grip handle that enhances comfort and control. Whether you're a professional contractor, this tool is an invaluable asset for tasks such as metal structure fabrication and repair, surface preparation for painting or powder coating, and weld bead removal from metal castings. The Coast XPH34R Dual Power Headlamp is a versatile and high-powered lighting solution suitable for various applications such as camping, hiking, and work tasks. Its impressive 2075 lumen LED can illuminate objects up to 600 feet away, and it offers multiple lighting modes, including high, medium, low, spot, flood, and red. The dual power feature, allowing it to run on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery or 4AA batteries, ensures flexibility and reliability, especially in remote settings. Additionally, the headlamp offers a twist focus system for seamless switching between spot and flood beams, a magnetic base for easy attachment to metal surfaces, and a durable weatherproof design. With a reassuring 5-year warranty, this headlamp is a valuable tool for various situations. The magnetic flange aligner from Flange Wizard is a versatile and time-saving tool for aligning flanges of various sizes and types. Its user-friendly design utilizes powerful magnets to securely attach to the flanges, streamlining the alignment process without the concern of accidental movement. With additional features such as a built-in spirit level for vertical alignment, a centering cone to aid in positioning, and a durable, weatherproof construction, this tool ensures precise and efficient flange alignment. Plus, it comes backed by a 1-year warranty, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.